Okay. Hi, Mr. Tyler. Please say hi to everyone first. Let them know you. Please open your camera. 你打开你的这个。Okay. So now you can see the agent must-haves, the topic. There's a list that's the agent must have for the tools to install the laser cutting machine. The first one, you have to have a multimeter, pillars, cable nippers, wire stripper, screaming pillars, hydraulic crimping pillars. And all this, I think you could understand it clearly with images. So just now I have shared the documents in the chat room. Please feel free to download it and prepare by yourself. And have you seen the highlighted words in red? The laser level and the and Mr. Tyler, could you explain what it used for?
The water level and the laser level, which is shown in the pictures.
Yeah, could you zoom out? 可以放大一些，放大一些。Could you see the picture here?
Yes, we can see it very clear.
Okay. Don't worry. Later, we may share with you some videos.
第一个是打的地面水平，第二个是打的那个地气水平。
地面水平，第一个。
那个
The first one, the laser level, is to do the leveling for the flooring. And the second one, the level, this one, the second one is for the machining leveling. Okay, the following is very common to sing, right? Okay, please focus on the right highlighted words here.
这个是算是激光质的。
Okay, the ceramic of laser inspections is for to test the quality of the laser light.
然后第二个项目是高功率激光质的，高功率激光的质量。
Okay, so the second one, the black paper, right? The laser test paper is for testing the laser light quality for the high power. Also for the mechanical microscope. This for
检查钢通质量。
this is also for the test of quality of the fiber. 没事，你可以大声一点吗？
那个右边那个是那个镜片拆开工具。
Okay, the right tools is for removing the protective lens in the cutting head. Okay, this one is very important for install the middle and high power above 6 kilowatts. So we required our agents must have a clean workbench to install the middle and above high power laser cutting head.
右边这个，这个是安装横条用的。
Okay, this one, the marble square, is for installation of the beam.
从这个，这个是导轨通接用的。
Okay, this one is for the connection of the gate rail. So all of the listed tools, we suggest if you are gonna install a laser cutting machine, you must have this requested list, requested tools.
问一
If
下
you do not know how to use these tools, you could ask for by yourself to ask your salespersons or ask the service engineers. Later, we will show you some videos. Okay, this one, I already shared the documents in the chat room. Please download by yourself.
你问题放这边
Okay, anyone have any questions for this list? 为什么有个联想啊？Hello, anyone have any questions? You could please feel free to post your questions in the chat room. Okay, I think everyone understand it quite well. Yeah, please, let's go on to the next part. This video is to show you how to install a laser cutting head, how to replace the protective lens. Okay, please watch the video. First, to prepare. Yeah, this is a preparation before start.
你音乐怎么了？
Okay, you must to turn off the. Okay, please go back and slowly down, slowly, please. Yeah. To make sure no air circulation before you install the machine and cutting head. And turn off the machine, wait for 2 hours. This is introduction for the dust-free clear bench.没有声音吗？
有音乐，
什么听不到？
为什么？
To check the connection. This is a remote. You're gonna choose a high air wind. Open the light. This is a low wind button, high wind button. So you could feel the airflow. This is a UV disinfection lamp. Okay, turn on the light. So cleaning the microscope. First, you have to clean the microscope. To clean the microscope, very gentle and clear and careful. Make sure it is dust-free. Okay. So, okay.
我看一下
Okay, let's watch it again. Okay, please. Yeah, you can continue. 可以继续了啊。Also, the workbench, the table top, you need to clean as well to make sure the whole workbench is dust-free. This step is very, very essential if you install a laser cutting head. Okay, then turn on the light. Close the door. You can feel the airflow. Okay, see the airflow, right? Okay, continue. Okay, filter dust to clean 30 minutes. Wait 30 minutes, okay. This is the laser cutting head box. Take out the laser cutting head gently. Okay. So first step, before you take it into the workbench, you need to make sure the laser cutting head is clear outside. Same method to clean the laser cutting head again. To make sure it is dust free. Next step, check cutting head. Peel off the paper stickers gently. The light passes through the tape to illuminate the inner. Yeah, observe the cleanness of the lens. Make sure it is dust free. Next step, to clean the fiber housing. To connect the microscope and fiber optic. Okay, use this way to clean the sealing ring. To remove the protective cover, do not touch the QBH fiber. Yeah. When you take out, seal the yellow cover again. Turn on the flashlight and check the fiber cleanness. to adjust the microscope focus to inspect fiber and faces. To clean the outside of the QBH. QBH 这个指什么啊？
就是那个发那个铁里边，
OK，
就通过了解，这个地方就是特别一点，
这是用来做什么的呢？
整体这一块的特别
OK。
对，因为呢，
So please connect the cutting head when the fiber is clean.
再来一遍哈。
Okay, let's play again. To clean the QBH protective glass. If it is not dirty, don't do anything. If you see it is dirty, then use the proper tools to clean it.
就主要重点是不要不脏就不要动它。
Okay. Highlight. If it is not dirty, don't do anything. Don't touch it if it is not dirty. Okay. Yeah, this is a way very gentle to clean the QBH protective glass. Notice here.
看一遍啊，
Notice one side.
对，
Okay, let's stop here for the notice. Okay.
这看到，这样一下，
Okay, notice here, one side of the swipe can only be used once.
没有仔细看这个，再来一遍。
Oh, let's play again. It's very important for this part.
第一遍，把身转了一下，
旋转，我没看出来旋转。
转，就是转。
Okay, let's go on. 接着吧。Yeah, you should learn how to clean the QBH head.
这一过，
嗯，
明白吗？这已经转完，
哪里转？
已经圈转了一下。
你要先转。
嗯。
这个加数。
重点是正风刮。
Okay. When the machine be dispatched, we will send you one pack of this cotton cleaning tools.
你就看到吗？擦完之后，转了一下，就是擦了，就是我还是能让。
So for the cotton cleanser, once the one side has been used, do not use it again. To use it the other side to clean.
你没看到转吗？
Okay, let's continue. 接着。
你就说很重要，所以分析了很多次。
Okay, because this step is very important to clean the QBH QBH head. So please pay attention to this. Make sure it is no dirty before it is installed.
这是非常
Okay, continue. To remove it slowly. Okay, let's play again. This step is very, very important. The dust may be in the inside of the glass, so check very carefully.
两个可能性，一个是在光纤里面，另外一个是在这个保红帽上。Inside 是吧
Okay.
Okay,好了。
There are two locations that may exist dust. The first one is maybe it is inside of the protective glass head. The other place is it may be in the glasses, on the glasses. So, but if there's no dust, please don't touch it, even use your finger. Yeah, make sure you use a proper cotton to clean it. Very gently and carefully. Make sure there's no dust. See, after use one side of the cotton swab, then we use the other side to clean again. Don't repeat use one side. It may cause the dust, dirty on the glass. To check and confirm QPH fiber cleanness.
如果需要的话，再来一遍哈。
Okay, play again. Swab it gently and make sure there's no dirty on it. Okay, let's replay again from this part. You need to take out gently. Check inside if there's dust on it. Yeah, just use one side of the cotton swab when it is done for the first cleaning. Yeah, you need to be very gentle. OK，停下这里，回到刚才那个地方，不用再放一遍了吧？ Oh. Okay. Okay, let's stop here. Let's observe what is the best cleanliness on fiber. So to make sure nothing dirty, nothing, there's no dust on fiber. So this is the effect, what a clean fiber looks like. Nothing on fiber, okay?
动了一下这个光纤。
Then let's install back the QPH protective cover after we make sure it is 100% pure cleanness. Okay, here's a question from Mark Lewis. 段工，先停一下。Mark Lewis is asking, what does a dirty fiber looks like? 可以展示一张就是看起来不太正确的一个案例吗？
OK，这视频播放之后吧。
Okay, I will show you after the video finish. Okay, I will show you later what kind of dirty fiber looks like. Okay, let's just continue and finish this video first. Okay, check one more time and confirm QPH protective glass cleanness, pure. Yeah, see the effect? It's pure, clean, no dust.
重复一遍吗？我说一下，这个是focus on 那个 protective glass，焦点在保护镜上，然后后面通过这个聚焦点能看到啊，这个是聚焦在光纤上，这两个镜头是不一样的。这个焦点是，
这个是光纤对吗？
对，焦点在光纤，然后呢上一个膜对吧？这是透过保护镜去看光纤，然后第一个是检查光纤，检查保护帽，这个是保护帽，能看能够
检查保护帽是否干净是吧？
对。
Okay, these photos is to show you, to check the protective glass cover cleanness or not.
这是聚焦能看出来。
And this one is to show you the protective glass focal point.
这个是flow，就是通过这个是光纤 fiber 的精度。
Okay.
前面的是保护镜的精度，这个是光纤的精度。
Okay, this is fiber cleanness. Eh, 等一下，我这一步是用来做什么的？
拍照留一个证据。拍照留证据。
为什么拍照留证据？
你到底是光纤是好的还是坏的？大家不能证明啊。
哦，OK。 Yeah, before you do the installation of next step, yeah, please take a photograph. Okay, next step is to connect the fiber and the laser cutting head. Let's separate the microscope and fiber first. Then the action must be very slow and gentle. Peel off the cover, protective cover here. Push down the outer cover. Carefully touch fiber and protective glass. Relax and lock the QPH. That's the action to connect the laser cutting head and the fiber. Okay, let's play again. First step, to disconnect the fiber from the microscope. Separate the fiber and microscope gently and slowly. Peel off the yellow paper, yellow sticker. Push down the outer cover. Then slot in the fiber head. Relax, and then it will lock the QPH head. Then check does it has been locked. The next step is to seal the connection position. Seal the connection. You can put many layers of the sealing. Cut off. Yeah, just try to put many layers of the protective yellow paper. Then it will be finished.
No sound, no sound.
Oh, hello, sorry. So for the Mark Lewis question, where do you buy holder? Okay, we could supply all of the listed tools. But if you have some local suppliers or other suppliers, it is also acceptable for us. But if you install a 6 kilowatts and above, you must to have a dust-free workbench. Below 6 kilowatts, it is not mandatory, but we still recommend you to install in a dust-free workbench. If you do not have a dust-free workbench, yeah, please install the laser cutting head in the morning to make sure the factory, before the factory starts work. So you could have a dust-free environment. Okay, any other questions? Okay, let's continue. Same process, clean outside. For the low laser power cutting head, it is same process with a high laser power cutting head. Okay, then it is finished. Okay, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Okay, let's answer Mark Lewis' question. What does a dirty fiber looks like? Okay, could you find us Okay, let's find a sample for you. See, here's the dust here. This is a dirty one. So even it is just a small and very teeny tiny dust, it will cause some unexpected situation. So yeah, see the white dirty point here.
看看小白点的，对比一下。
Have you seen the white dirty point? It's very small, very micro. So please avoid this kind of dust point to make sure it is clean.
这是烧坏了。
So if you see this is a result damage that a dirty fiber may cause.
就是像这种是完全不能使用了。
Okay, so this one is a damaged one.
这种也是完全不能使用。
This kind of fiber cannot be used again.
然后像这种，这种，只要不在中心，只要不在center才可以使用。
要不带什么？
只要不在那个光线的中心上就可以使用。
Okay, as long as the dirt is not at the point of the focal point, then it can be used after you clean the dirty. Yeah.
center of fiber
就是
光线的中心。
the center of the fiber.
使用是有危险。
这种啊。
可以使用，但是它可能会造成这种情况。
Okay, if you use it when the fiber is in dirty, it may cause the damage.
有，
as the yellow paper yellow picture showing us, it will get burned.
应该听起来。
Okay, Mr. Mark Lewis, are you clear? How can you test the fiber power coming out the cutting head? Do you offer a power meter? 问我们怎样检测我们这个出光出的这个功率啊？然后有没有？
可以监测激光器，可以通过激光器内控软件去监控。
我们会提供吗？这个激光软件是随机发送的吗？Okay, after you order the machine, we will supply installation package for inspection software. So you could use the software to observe the fiber quality, the laser power quality. Yeah, so it will be done by a software. No need a power meter.
我明白他的意思，我再给播放一个视频啊。
Okay, Mr. Tyler will play another video to show you how to use the software.
那个是怎么检测激光？怎么检测光纤为什么会损坏？检测光纤或者是镜片损坏的吧。
Okay, let's play the video. So this is optometry is mainly to check whether there's pollution in the internal optical path. So let's watch the video. You need to choose a suitable nozzle and install on the laser cutting head. 你步骤停下来。
我明白，那个先通表的例子再说吧。来一遍哈。
Okay, let's play again. You need to choose a suitable nozzle. Do you remember there's a paper attached, a black paper? Yeah, please attach to a small board. Yeah, close the security door.
说一下这个距离哈。接个头。距离这个纸的高度是35公分。
Okay, the distance between the laser cutting head point to the bottom paper is 35 millimeters.
No.
35 centimeters. Okay. 35. And you need to adjust the burst parameters. Different device paper, you need to choose different parameters.
不同的胶纸，两个是不同的。
有什么区别吗？
从我观点看起来，这个是跟麻布一样，这个是
选哪一种最好？
不存在。
两种都行。
都可以。
Okay, you can see left and right. There's two different materials. Yeah, the left one is more look like a cloth cover, fabric cover. 右边那个是什么材料？纸吗？
对。
Yeah. 怎么打出来这个光呢？After you adjust the parameters, then click the pulse laser. Then a light point will be spot in the black paper. So the light spot is uniform and there's no black spot in the point. Yeah, please pay attention to if there are burning spots, black spots, it is because it has internal lens pollution. So you need to clean the lens and do the lens replacement. Yeah. So when you find out the light point is not clean, you need to strictly to follow the protective lens replacement process. Do you have any other questions? If no, we will continue to other part. Okay, let's continue.
这是切割头保护镜的更换。
Okay, this part is to show you how to replace the cutting head protective lens, protective glass.
明面积。
Okay. Please keep the taper evidence label intact.
标签
The label don't touch, right? 这个标签不能撕掉，对吧？
是
Yeah, please do not touch the labels here, the circled label. If the label is damaged, please contact HSG laser. Because if you peeled off or the label disappears, it may affect the warranty policy.
我问这边更快。
Okay, next part is for the protective glass assembly replacement. So first step, you need to turn off the fan, top cover fan and dust removal equipment near the equipment. This step is just to reduce the airflow. The cutting head is installed on the machine and does not need to be removed. So the pictures are for the demonstration only. Clean the dust on the cutting head and beam. Clean all the cover near the cut head. Close the safety door into the device. Seal the position of the cutting head with paper tape to reduce the probability of the ash. Seal the nozzle with a piece of print paper. So you need to loose the screws, pull out the protection group. So quickly assemble the clean spare protective glass into the cutting head. There's a gap in the protective glass assembly. Affix a piece of paper tape to seal it. To remove the paper tape from the nozzle. Okay, so this will be the finished. Okay, this part is to show you how to clean the protective mirror assembly. You need to remove the protective mirror group and wipe the drawers first. Also use the cotton sweep. Remove the protective lens and then wipe the sealing ring again. Remove the protective lens group. Then clean the lens. Yeah, make sure there's a light. Why? Okay. Okay. It is more easier to observe if there is dust on it if you turn on a light to observe it. So after wiping the pressure cover, assemble and seal for next direct use. There's a note. The spare protective mirror group should be checked again to confirm whether it is clean before use. So at the time of the drawing, the protective mirror group should be shortened as far as possible. The shorter the interval and the lower the focus. Okay, I guess everyone is understanding this part, right? Do you have any questions regarding this part? Hello. This is almost today's content. Do you have any other questions? Okay. We still have time, so we are going to show you another part of the training session. This is to check Okay, let's watch the video first and explain you step by step. It's not very clear. Yeah. First one is also to replace the nozzle. Prepare a stainless steel plate.
距离，这个头距离板材150毫米。
Okay, to make sure the distance from the plates, the cutting head distance from the plates is 150 millimeters.
使用一个2毫米的不锈钢。
Yeah, to prepare a 2 millimeters thickness stainless steel plate.
这个头距离
The nozzle, the distance from nozzle to the plates should be about 150 millimeters. More, yeah, to be above. Okay, equal to or above. Yeah, to close the security door and set the shooting parameters. This is a samples for 12 kilowatts laser power parameter. Okay, then click apply. Click pose laser. Then lower down the cutting head vertically to 30 millimeters. So to observe whether the red light in the center of the circular burn spot. So when the red light is on the left of the red spot. Yeah, and anyone can see the red spot here, right? It is must be in the center of the red light spot. Here should be 3 millimeters, right? Okay, lower down the laser cutting head vertically to 3 millimeters here. To observe whether the red light is in the center of the circular burn spot. If it is, then it's lucky for you. It is correct. But if when the red light is on the left side of the burn spot, you must to make the adjustment to lose the fastening bolt and remove to the left. If the red light is on the right side of the burn spot, you need to loosen fastening bolt and remove to the right. When the red light appears in the front and behind the burn spot, Similar, loosen the bolts to adjust before and after. When the white light appears in the oblique, yeah, just make sure the red light in the center of the burn spot. So it is so-called good vertically. Here's a note. Please read it.
这是低功率的接合头，
Mm.
这是3000瓦的。
Oh, just now the cutting head is for the 12 kilowatts. This one is for the 3 kilowatts and below. Thanks, Mark Lewis. Yes, it is useful. Okay, thanks for watching. 停在这儿，停在这儿，停一下。Okay, note, some cutting heads needs to remove the mounting plates to adjust the installation position, subject to the actual situation of the machine. So different model, different laser power has different structures. So you need to make adjustment according to the real situation. Yes, Mark Lewis, what do you mean we have been using a square? To level the head?
Yeah, yeah. 是的，是的。
Yes. Form a sheet.
看这个没问题。
这还没到点，你再接着放一个。这个 zero focus.
那么他们有没有问题？有问题就不放。
Yes, Mr. Mark Lewis. Thanks for your question and comments. Do you have any other questions? 这放了什么？
这个从头检测，这个简单，看一下就知道。
Yeah, next part. Yeah, please watch the video.
说一下，一定要关闭光闸，更换喷嘴。
关闭光闸是在哪里关？
Turn off shutter. Then
不是，
turn on
光闸怎么关？
就在软件里边，软件里边。
有没有一个那个打开软件演示一下？
对，视频里面就演示。
哦，你停在那儿一会儿。
Sorry. Turn off shutter. Turn off shutter.
Okay, everyone, attention. Please turn off the shutter when you make an adjustment because it's very dangerous if you put your finger or hands under the laser cutting head. So please make sure it has been turned off.
关闭光闸，在更换喷嘴的时候。
When you exchange the nozzle, please turn off the shutter. Otherwise, it will be more dangerous. Close the shutter. Okay.
这个点儿是激光，外边的这个圆是喷嘴。
Okay, the dots inside are the. Now look at the mark on the tape. The dots inside are the marks of the laser beams. the circle of the outer ring is the imprint of the nozzle of the diameter. If it is not in-centered, it can be corrected by adjusting the two voids. Okay, so this is a very correct situation. The spot is correctly in the center of the spot. Okay, repeat several times until it looks good. Okay, I think this process is very easy and simple. This one is to confirm zero focus of the cutting head. Okay, draw 7 lines with different colors to represent different layer of the drawings. Okay, please cite different parameters in different color layer.所以就是不同的颜色，其他参数都是相同的，只有焦点这个参数是不同的。Okay, when you cite the parameters on different color layer, please make sure all of other parameters are the same. Only the cut focus is different. Only to change the cut focus.这个1.5 single spray 是只是选择这个吗？还是说其他也行？
用这个是效果最好的。
Okay, when you replace the nozzle to test the zero focus, yeah, please change the nozzle 1.5 single spray.
Mm.
这是7条线是吧？刚刚我们设置的。This is 7 different layer that we just set just now. We yeah, using the marker.
我都最细的那根线。
Okay, to find the narrowest, yeah, the most narrow slit corresponds to the zero focus. So narrowest one is a zero focus.
就是为什么做这个动作呢？是因为有可能软件的零并不是切割头的零焦点。
为什么呢？
这应该不对，你说的有问题吗？
软件的零不一定是切割头的零焦点。
软件的零焦点不一定是切割头的零焦点。
找焦点的目的是什么？
就是软件我设定一个0，但是呢实际得到了一个1。我想要一个0，但是得到了一个1，就是实际跟理论值不统一。
Okay. Okay. So why do we need to find the corresponding zero focus? Because when you install the machine, the zero focus which is cited on the software may be different from the real focus zero focus. So when you do this process, we could find the real zero focus is.
第4个有没有问题？
Yeah. Just now we just showed you the 4 process of to find the zero focus. To test the cleanness of the light spot. Do you have other questions regarding for this 4 process?
第4个视频呢，就是在机器安装的时候就要去做测试。
Okay, so just now, yeah, remember we just have watched the video to show you how to install the laser cutting head. So after you install the laser cutting head, you need to do the 4 steps one by one to test the parameter setting. Okay, I think that's all we prepared today. So if you have other questions, please feel free to ask now. Hi, Alex. Do you have a question? Mr. Mark Lewis, any questions?
No question.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so the same contents we will repeat in this night from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So if your colleagues don't have, it's not available now, please ask them to join the next session. We'll repeat this training session content in the night from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. again. Actually, this is the first time that we organized the training session for every Friday. This is the first time. Yeah, maybe we will make adjustments later according to your suggestions. So for the first time training, do you have any suggestions so that we could improve accordingly afterwards? Okay, sure, no problem. I will send all documents to you. Please ask your region sales manager. We will send all related documents to your sales manager. So please contact them and get the documents. Yeah, if you have any other contents or process you want to have a training, please report your suggestions to your sales manager so that we could summarize all your suggestions and improve accordingly. Okay, thank you, dear all. Thank you, dear friends. Thank you for your attention today. Hope today's training content is very useful for your following installation work. Thank you all for your attending. Have a good day. Bye-bye. See you next time. Do you offer training to replace all lens in cutting head?
We've had to replace the top lens and the internal lens before.
What problems you are facing?
2 kilowatt, some sort of contamination in the top of the cutting head, so the focus was cutting the protective lens. It was burning through the protective lens, So we had to emergency strip down the gun, the torch, the cutting head, and replace the upper lens and the middle lens, and rebuild, and it was cutting fine afterwards. And that's 6 months on. But we did not have a clean room. It was an emergency repair where we had to make up with some polythene to make like a greenhouse, like a little room to clean.
Yes.
But we
yeah, before you replace the protective lens, you have to shut down all the machine. Make sure your factory no dust flow.
Yes,
Then
but we had
replace
to
the protective lens.
we had to replace the upper lens and the middle lens, the focus lens, because the protective lens had burnt a big crater,
so-
like volcano.
So you're asking how to replace the lens of the cutting head?
The top one, yeah, and the middle one in future.
Okay.
'Cause
Tyler, do you have-
we already did this, but it's
你说一下那个
the next training session.
6000瓦以上的切割头是不允许客户自己拆卸的。
top lens。
你
的意思是什么呢？哪个地方不允许拆卸？
首先，第一个 top lens 肯定是需要跟公司联系，再进行更换的。这是第一个，除了保护镜，除了刚才视频里边那个可以更换的保护镜之外，任何
那他们遇到问题应该怎么
拆卸都要联系公司。
OK。
第二个 top lens 怎么拆？看激光器的功率，6000瓦以上的必须要用人工光拆，哪怕是 top lens 还是那个什么那个 lens。6000瓦以下、3000瓦以下的切割头可以没有真正工人台，但是一定要保证环境的干净。如果是这些拆镜片拆top lens，就是说白了就是准直保护镜，准直保护镜。然后如果是想拆 focal lens，想拆那个聚焦镜跟准直镜的时候，就必须把切割头拿到办公室里，那个非常干净的地方进行拆卸。 这是3000瓦的切割头。
就是说那个保护镜可以在机器上面直接换。
对。
然后，但是那个准直镜还有这个聚焦镜必须再拆下来，在一个洁净工作台上更换，是这意思吧？
稍微等一下，我给你看看问题。
Okay, Mr. Mark Lewis. Firstly, let me make clarification to you. According to our company regulations, we do not suggest you to exchange the top lens or focal lens by yourself. If you if you need to change the top and focal lens, you need to do it under our instruction.
那个6000瓦的切割头是绝对不允许拆的。
For the 6 kilowatts and above, please do not replace the top and focal lens by yourself.
联系我们再拆。
You need to contact us, and you may replace it under our observation and instruction.
然后3000瓦以下的切割头。
Below 3 kilowatts.
准直保护镜，他说的 top lens。
The top lens and the focal lens could be replaced by yourself, but you need to dismantle it.
top lens 是准直保护镜。然后呢，那个是联系我们更换3000瓦下的。
你刚刚说6000瓦以上也可以联系我们更换。
一样的，只不过6000瓦联系我们更换的时候是需要使用洁净工人台的。
哦，3000瓦以下不需要洁净工台。Okay, let me clarify again. So for the 6 kilowatts and above, when you please do not replace the top lens and focal lens by yourself. When you replace it, please contact our engineers and do it under our observation and instruction. And in the meantime, you need to dismantle the cutting head and replace the top and focal lens. in the dust-free workbench. And 3 kilowatts and below. You also need to dismantle the cutting head to replace the top and focal length. But it is not necessarily mandatory to use a dust-free bench. But you have to make sure the factory is dust-free. You need to shut down the machine for 1 hour and above to make sure there's no dust flow. But for the protective lens, you could directly replace it on the machine. No need to dismantle. Is it clear, Mr. Mark?
Yes, thank you. Very, very clear.
Okay, thank you.
这个是切割它的分解，来看看。
Okay, I'll show you a video. Actually, this video is next training section. Yeah, just show you in advance. If you you are interested in this training session, yeah, please remember to attend next time, next week. Yeah, just quickly show you the video. It's not today's content. But if you need it urgently, you could ask the video from your sales manager. Yes, we plan to deliver a training to our worldwide agents every Friday. But because it is the first time, it's very beginning, we have to evaluate the effect of the training session, then maybe fix a date afterwards. But now we just fix a date on Friday. Maybe we could make adjustments in the future, but we will notify you before the training. Don't worry. Mr. Mark Lewis, are you take charge of the England market? Yeah, if you need this video urgently,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
you could ask your sales manager to get the video.
Yeah, no, thank you. That's good.
You're welcome.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Do you have any questions regarding this video or the parts that we discussed just now? Okay. Okay, thanks. Thanks for your feedback. Okay, thanks all for attending today. Okay, see you next time.